Hi, I'm Thomas with Valdosta Personal Shopper. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to place a grocery order on our website, step by step. First, you need to go to our website, which is linked in the description below, and click the Order Groceries tab. Scroll down until you see the store, produce, meat and poultry, dairy, and household items. Click the category you would like to start in, and then next enter the items you need in the text box. We're going to enter 2 green bell peppers. If you want to add more, you can. Here on the checkout page, you can go to continue shopping at the lower bottom, or you can use the store to go back to the main storefront. In this purpose, once you're ready to check out, you'll just enter your email address and then hit checkout. This is already filled in for us. You put your first and last name, your phone number, your address, physical address, city, zip, state. State's going to be Georgia, and the country is United States. Simply hit continue, and then your shopping cart will display the items. Now I want you to notice that they're 0. We do not insert pricing because of the stores. There's different stores that have different pricing modules, and we could never get the same price as the store. So that's the reason that it's zeroed out. When you're ready, hit continue. Any information that is helpful for the delivery, such as gate codes, which door you want your groceries left at, front door, side door, carport door, and apartment number. Please make sure your apartment number is here if it's an apartment. Simply hit place order, and you're done. This next page is a thank you page. It gives you your order number, it gives you the date and the time. You can also print your order, and then it will show you on the map where your order will be delivered. That's how you use our grocery shopping system on Valdosta Shopper, Personal Shopper. If you have any questions, feel free to make a comment below, or you can go to the site and use our contact information there. That's it. Simple, personal, and app-free grocery shopping. If you would like to be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to get further notifications of new videos being posted. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.